Today, you will learn how to add signature in Word document. First, take a blank white paper and sign your name clearly with a black or blue pen. Now, take a photo of your signature using your mobile phone. Next, send this photo through email to your laptop and save it on your computer. Now, open your Word document where you want to place the signature. Go to the top menu and click Insert. Then click Pictures and choose This Device. Select your signature image from the computer and click Insert. Your signature will appear inside the document. First of all, go to Layout option and choose In Front of Text. This option will allow you to move your image easily. Now, you can resize it by dragging the corners and move it to the correct position where you want to sign. If the background of the image looks gray, don't worry. Click on the image, go to Picture Format, then choose Color option and use one of these options that suits you best. Then choose Remove Background to make it clean and professional. That's it. Your signature is now added to the Word document, and your file is ready to print or share as a PDF. So yes, you have successfully learned how to add a signature in a Word document. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more easy computer tutorials. Thanks for watching.